This is GoPro's new Shorty mount, and well, on the surface, it looks kind of completely pointless. It has become part of my everyday GoPro kit carry, and even part of the minimalist kit I take with me if I go backpacking or hiking. So what is it? Well, it's a hand grip for your camera that allows you to extend it into a sort of selfie stick, but it doesn't really have any extension. Collapsed with your camera on it, it's 7 inches, and when you extend it, it only extends to like 11. So you're only gaining 4 inches of reach with an extension pole, which is something that, compared to any other GoPro pole in the market, is laughable. And even comparing it to something small and compact like this is still pretty sad. You can get those monopods, the things that like they sell online as the super cheap cell phone selfie sticks, and you put a GoPro mount on the end of those, and those things are small, compact, and extend to much, much longer than the Shorty. It's also a hand grip, so when the legs fold in on it, it does make a nice hand grip. So if you're just going to go out and shoot stable footage and you want to have a hand grip with you, this is a pretty good way to do it. And then, best of all for me, you can fold its legs out into a little tripod. And this is where the Shorty really starts to shine. It's a very, very versatile accessory to take with you. It's a short extension pole, but it's enough that with the wide angle lens and the GoPro camera, you can easily get selfies with a couple of people in the shot, and even getting that extra kind of, you got about just under a foot of reach away from body allows you to get kind of full, almost full body, at least full upper body shot. And as soon as you can turn it into a tripod, it means that you can shoot a lot of stationary, stable shots, something that with most GoPro footage being very heavily handheld or mounted shots, stable shots of the camera looking at what's going on are really cool and refreshing in most GoPro edits. So with all 3 of those in there, it's awesome. And then it has the added ability of when you put it down with its tripod legs, you can just extend it to get the camera off the ground that little bit extra. And while it doesn't seem like a lot, if you compare it to the other options that are out there for compact tripods, like the tripod that comes with the 3-way and bundled with the GoPro tripod mounts now, that really short one, well, it does come in a little bit lighter. You don't have the ability to extend the camera up, and it's single function. I mean, it does kind of work as a hand grip, but not nearly as well as the Shorty. And then something else like the Adobe Mini, well, it's about the same size as the Shorty Collapse, and it works just about as well as a handle. But again, you don't have the ability to get the camera off the ground. And with the wide angle lens of the GoPro camera, raising the camera up off the ground about 8 to 10 inches, which is what the Shorty does, allows you to get a lot more stuff in the shot. If you use a tripod like the one that comes with a 3-way or the one that comes like that Adobe Mini, you're getting a lot of ground in the shot, and there's really not much you can do about that unless you take the camera and tilt it way, way up. The Shorty, just that ability to extend it that extra 4 inches makes a big, big difference. Again, if you were going to take the entire 3-way with you, then you can just spin those tripod legs around and mount your camera on top of the 3-way, and then you can get about 2 feet of extension, which is going to give you a better perspective than the Shorty, but that is a much more bulky package to take with you. What I love about the Shorty is that I can take it and that's it. I don't bother taking a GoPro grip, I don't take a GoPro pole, I don't take a tripod or anything like that. I just take this, a couple of adhesive mounts, and a handlebar mount, and that is my kit, and I can basically set up in almost any situation I want with those few accessories, while allowing me to get a lot of shots that most people don't get with their GoPro cameras, therefore making my edits a little bit more interesting than most else of what's on the internet. So I look at the GoPro Shorty as taking a super small compact tripod with me that has a bunch of other added benefits. I basically leave it attached to my frame, basically full time, and that is how I take my camera. If I want something smaller than this, I take my camera out of the frame and just take my GoPro with me and leave this whole package stuffed in my backpack. The Shorty also comes with a very compact thumb screw. It's some new kind of crazy GoPro thumb screw they're trying. It's much harder to undo than the standard one, and it's also much easier to lose, and that's what happened to mine. But just be aware that you probably aren't going to get a standard one. If you order one of these, you're going to get a fancy little knurled aluminum or knurled steel stainless one that is much more compact and fits inside the GoPro's profile, making the entire package a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter. But like I say, I didn't get one, or I got one of those and then it sank to the bottom of the ocean one day when I was taking my GoPro off of it to try and do some stuff. So don't do what I did, and hang on to it, because it is cool despite being a little bit harder to use. When I got the Shorty, I was skeptical, but I carried it around with me for a while, and I ended up using it a lot more than I anticipated. It had a bunch of situations in which you could use it, and it was a lot more versatile than anything else I was taking with me. And I found myself taking it with me more than something like the 3-way because of how small and easy to take with you it is. So there it is. It's pretty cool. Is it too expensive for what it is? Probably. It's a GoPro product. Most of their accessories are very expensive for what they are. But if you've got the money and you're looking for a really small, compact GoPro mount, it might be something to check out. You also might look, I would imagine that companies will start making knockoffs of these quite soon, so you might look out for those. But all in all, it is a pretty functional little mount, and it does do a lot for its size and weight. Guys, that was the GoPro Shorty. Let me know what your thoughts are on it down in the comments below. Do you think it's cool, or are you a person who that short extension range just isn't going to cut it and you want a proper GoPro pole, and then you might as well just take a full-size tripod or something like that? What do you think? Leave those comments down below. But most of all, until next time, thanks for watching.